Hey guys, so welcome back to Delph and today I will be showing you how to turn off DMs on Discord. So in order for you to do this process, of course, first things first is you can just simply go ahead and open up the Discord. So whether you are using a web browser, you could just simply go for discord.com or open up the Discord application if you have it downloaded. Now, over here, you could just simply go ahead and go to the gear icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, once you are here, just simply go for the content and social tab. And pretty much over here, you could change the content filters. And down below, as you can see, we could also change the direct message spam. You could filter it out as well. And if you scroll down further, you should be able to see here social permissions. So here on the social permissions, you could select specific server that you want to filter out, or you could go for all servers. Now from here, as you can see, we could allow DMs from other server members. So if you want, you could just simply turn this off. And as you can see, do you want to also apply this change to all existing servers? And if yes, you could just simply select yes over here and it will turn off the DM on all of the server. And you could also change the friend request over here. So pretty much over here on this tab, you could filter out things about the social and the messages when it comes to your servers, and pretty much just make sure that this is turned off to turn off your DM in the Discord. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.